everybody. Today I've got some good products to show you. I'm going to show you a couple of things that were sent to me. GIVENCHY, LASHGRANDE, number 7, and URBAN Decay. Sit down and relax. We're going to start with the first product. This is the URBAN Decay All-Nighter. It was sent to me from URBAN Decay, and I am excited to try it. It's a makeup setting spray, long-lasting. Okay, 2 caps. Shake, 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 shake. Now I cover like that, and then when I do the bottom of my face, I cover my eyes like that. And then I just go like this. So I just go up and down, up and down. So let's see if we're going to keep these 2 caps on it. Probably not. Okay, URBAN Decay All-Nighter. Groundbreaking formula mists on weightlessly, ensuring makeup that lasts up to 15 hours. All-Nighter keeps you looking gorgeously applied, no melting, cracking, or fading. Breathable, yet powerful, All-Nighter protects your makeup from whatever the day throws at you. For beauty that lasts and for all skin types. So you're supposed to spray it in an X and a T. And whenever I do that, I just go like that. And I have on Lash Grande Mascara, and I'm going to insert a clip right here so you can see me putting it on. So here I am putting on the mascara, and oh, my eyeshadow looks like fuchsia, burgundy. It's not that bright in person, but the close-up shot, ooh. But the mascara is really good. Plus, it also enhances your lashes. But I found it not to be too wet or too dry. It was just like right in the middle. And I was able to build up my lashes. Of course, I'm using my Q-tip. That's my favorite tool to smudge out and blur out the outer edges. It didn't smear, and I put it to the wet eyeball test. As you can see, my eyeballs are getting very teary. Pretty good mascara. I like it. Let's see. And it helps grow your lashes. So this is a win-win mascara. Woohoo! I like it. This is the box. Grande Mascara in black. The All-Nighter spray and my black lip liner. Let me go get it. So I think I need a little more blush. I have the Guerlain Pure de Gold on today, and I mixed it with a little bit of white. This is the olive, but the one I used, I mixed it with 1 drop of white with the Guerlain because it is a darker color for me. Look at that bottle. Is that beautiful? So I'll put this on as a little blush. Like bronzer, contour, and blush. Wow. This benefit is bronzer, contour, and blush. Oh, I know. This one. I think that's a little better. All right, I want to show you this other product that was sent to me. And this is by GIVENCHY. Yes, GIVENCHY. Okay, it's a black lip liner. It comes with a pencil sharpener. And it says GIVENCHY on it. And it has a little toothpick to clean the shavings. Very cute. This is the pencil. Let me tell you, I keep losing this because it's just a black pencil and I just keep losing it. Alright, so we're going to take off our lipstick and I'm going to show you what this looks like. It's pretty wild. I'll show you a little bit on my hand. Look at that. I'm pressing hard as I could press without breaking it. And it's a translucent black. Let's take this off. I have on Teddy Love and Cream Cup over it, both by MAC. You see, I just lose it. That's the only problem with this pencil, is that I keep losing it. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I'm going to go just lightly over my lip line and underneath a little bit more, and I'm going to like back and forth on the side. Now over here I'm going to extend it a little to make that what I call a cat lip. There's a video that I have, it's about the cat lip I named, because it's like the cat eye, the cat lip, the cat eye, everything goes this way. This is lip real estate you are missing out on if you're not using this. Right here. This will turn your lips up, and it will also make your lips look bigger. So you go, you do like the cat wing. The cat wing, you go here from the bottom, you stretch it out that way, and then this, you do the same thing with the lip. You go to the bottom of the lip, and then you just bring it out. Once you bring it out, you follow a straight line in. So it's kind of making like a triangle over there. See? There you go. And you just do a straight line. Alright. Lauren Hutton always said to have baby lips, you should make the inner part dark, right there. Alright. So, there you go. Now I'm going to put the lipstick on. This is Teddy Love by MAC. You see that? Look, it gives it a nice line of demarcation. Now I'm going to put this on top of it. This is by Revlon, and I just got it from Target. And Target wraps everything up in this tape. This is just my backup. I have one inside. I love this color so much. It's called Driver, and it's by the Super Stay Matte Ink. If you like nudes, you need this. It's a peachy nude. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I'll show you the color on my hand. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? Ooh. That is so beautiful, that color. That is a true peachy nude, and it stays on. Now I want to sharpen it before. I love when it comes with their own sharpener. So, you see the difference? It gives some definition to your lips. I like to go sideways. So I come out here and make that line. When you do a wing, you make a line and then you bring it in. So same thing with your lips. You go out here, follow the corner, and then bring it in. I'm going to put a little lip gloss that will not disturb this liquid lip. And this is the Melted Latex. When you put this on over a liquid lipstick that doesn't come off, it will still not come off if you're kissing or drinking or anything. Because most liquid lips, after you put them on, if you put a lip gloss on, it will move it around. And now, when I put this on, I bet it doesn't move your lipstick around. This is really nice. Watch. All you see is the clear gloss. Yeah, right? It's not making it come off. You should buy this to put on all your dry liquid lips. This pencil really defines your lips without it without it being too dark or too fake looking. I think I'll add Cream Cup over all this. Now I have another lip gloss. It's by Laura Geller, and it's called City Lights. It's amazing. Okay. Now do you see how defined my lips are? I'm telling you what I see over here. So that basically is the Givenchy Black Noir lip liner. A lot of these lipsticks are too light and chalky that you can't just put them on. You have to define the rim. And now that you know the trick, the cat lip trick, I named it the cat lip because you go up. With your eyes, you would go like this. You would go right to the corner and then go up. Right to the corner and then go up to add a little drama. So with the cat lip, you take the Givenchy and you go to your corner and you go up. You pull it up. Now when you're out there, you're not on the lip anymore, but that's okay. You come back in and go up. So you pull it up. This is real estate on your lips that a lot of people don't take advantage of. Most of the time they go like this. They follow the lip, or they follow it down. This just brings it up. So I love it. I got everything I requested, and I love everything. I love the URBAN Decay long-lasting setting spray, and the Givenchy black lip pencil, and one more thing that I requested. It is the Vitamin C by No. 7. Now, you can get these in Target and wherever No. 7 is sold, and it is amazing. You get the dropper. The bottle is sealed. The dropper comes on the side, and then you get an extra cap that contains the vitamin C in it, which I didn't know. I opened it up, and it just went all over my table, and I scooped it up and put it back in. But what you do is you take that cap with the vitamin C and you screw it on. Now it has a push top, so you just push that. It releases all the fresh vitamin C into here, and I believe this is a 2-week supply. How cute is that? I love this. So far, 2 weeks, it hasn't turned. The color hasn't turned. I'm just waiting to see. I didn't want to put it in the fridge because it didn't say you have to. So I do know that vitamin C has to be put in the fridge unless you use airtight packaging. But I just left it like this on my vanity, and it's doing great. My vitamin C is doing great. See that? Clear, clear. I've had it for about a week and a half now, and I am down to here. I use it morning and night. And so far, so good. It smells really good, too. It smells like oranges. I love this kind of thing. You could just put it on your face. This is the cap that goes on the little bottle. Now, when you depress that down, this little container underneath it comes out, and this opens up, and all the vitamin C comes out. I mean, it's just so great. They didn't want to mix it before you even got it because it's not airtight. It's not going to turn on you. It's in a 2-week supply bottle, and it's fresh. When you get it, when you put it on, it's fresh. So I think it's very, very clever. Very clever. And thank you to Grande Lash and to Urban Decay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank all these companies for sending it to me. I'll see you Saturday. And don't forget, you can hit the boop boop and the boop. That would make me so happy. And have a great, great week. Have a happy week. I love you. YouTube random comment picker. Alright, here it is. YouTube random comment picker for YouTube comments. Okay, enter the YouTube URL. Okay. This is the URL of my video. Okay. Oh, we press start. Oh, there they are. Look. See the names? Oh, yeah. Ooh, Ann Morrison. You look amazing and certainly not 69. We need to recheck your birth certificate. Aww. That is great. Thank you, Ann. Aw, Ann Morrison won my giveaway. So, Ann Morrison, congratulations.